Hello guys, today we're talking about the Philips NeoPix 130 home projector, a budget-friendly device that's built to turn an empty wall into your own personal movie screen. This isn't a flagship home theater monster, but it's made for people who want a bigger, more cinematic experience than a laptop or phone without spending a fortune. In the right setup, the NeoPix 130 delivers a picture that's bright enough for dim rooms, making it great for Netflix, YouTube, casual gaming, or family movie nights. Colors look decent, and the image feels much more immersive than small screens. That said, the biggest limitation is that it really needs a dark room with low ambient light, because daylight or bright spaces will wash the picture out. Sharpness is respectable for the price, but fine text and tiny details won't look ultra crisp like premium projectors. One pleasant surprise is the built-in speaker, which is loud enough for a small room and keeps dialogue clear without immediate distortion. Setup is also simple, just plug in a streaming stick, console, or laptop, adjust focus, and you're ready to go. Keystone correction helps straighten the image even if placement isn't perfect. Overall, the Philips NeoPix 130 is a solid choice if you want affordable cinematic vibes at home, as long as you understand it shines best in darker rooms and is meant for casual entertainment, not high-end theater perfection.